In this BorderConnect tutorial, I'll show you how to create and manage trailer profiles with a mobile device. Once you're logged into BorderConnect, to create a new trailer, click the menu icon and click Manage Data. Then, click Create Trailer. This will bring you to the Add Trailer page. First from the top, enter the trailer unit number. Then below, enter the trailer type. Next, enter the license plate information of the trailer, so first enter the plate of the trailer and the state or province the license plate is issued in. To add additional information to your trailer, click Show All on the top right. Doing this will reveal fields such as an ACE ID, which is optional if the trailer has a specific ID number with the ACE data portal, or also assigning a particular terminal for the truck. Once you add and verify that the data for this trailer is correct, go to the top and click Save, where you'll be brought to the Trailer Details page. Here you can see an overview of all the trailer details. And once you're ready to create an ACE or ACI eManifest and you'd like to use this trailer, just create, in this case, an ACE eManifest and quick assign the trailer in seconds by typing in either the first few numbers of the trailer unit number or the plate, and it'll pop up for you. Just click it to assign it to the manifest. It's that easy. Or create a brand new trailer on the fly by clicking Add Trailer below and add the same information for the trailer from the beginning of the tutorial and just save it to add it to the manifest. In BorderConnect, you can also easily view and manage trailers entered into the system. To do this, hover over Manage Data and click Search Trailers. This will bring you to the trailer search page, where you can view, search, edit, or even deactivate trailers if they're no longer part of your fleet. If you use a third-party software or fleet management software, you can easily export your trailers to their software in either a JSON or CSV format. Just click More from the trailer search page and click Export. Or do the opposite and import a list of trailers into BorderConnect using a JSON file. To do this, click Import and just drag and drop the file and upload it into BorderConnect. To learn how to create and manage trailers using a laptop or desktop, click the link at the top of the video now.
Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you'd like to watch more videos like this, click subscribe below or sign up to BorderConnect for a free 45-day trial using special promo code EASY45. Thanks for watching.